I'm at the paddy. If you can see at my back, the beautiful view at the paddy. So at the Kedah, the largest producer produce the paddy in Malaysia. So for the farmers, the big problem is how to control pest management. So in my opinion, the best method we can use is IPM. So what is IPM? So IPM is stand for Integrated Pest Management. In my opinion is I don't prefer using the chemical because if we overspray at the paddy, that can kill the good insect for the paddy more healthier and grow. So the insect we don't want at the paddy is, for example, snail, brown grasshopper, rice bug, and others. So basically, to control pests in paddy crop effectively, you must to implement and integrate pest management strategy and must to combine cultural practice like deep plowing and water management, biological control like encouraging natural predator and the target use of biopesticide, and also chemical treatment that only when pest population exceed economic threshold. Okay, so I will pass to my friend Shafiq to explain more about paddy pest control management.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shafiq. Right now I will explain more about IPM.
Okay, what is IPM? IPM is a combined several method to control pest susceptibility. First method we use is farmer use culture practice such as planting resist varieties and maintaining field cleanliness. Secondly is biological control involve protecting natural elements like spider and dragonflies that feed on pests. Third, we use farmer regularly monitor that field to detect pest problem early. Finally, chemical pesticide. Chemical pesticides are used only when necessary and according to recommended guidelines. In conclusion, proper pest control management help increase rice production, reduce crop loss, and protect the environment. This video shows pest management practice in a paddy field. First, we can see a farmer spraying the field to control pests and disease that may affect rice crop. Proper pesticide application help protect the crop and maintain yield. Next, we can see a machine is a called combine harvester which cut, thresh, and collect the rice grain in a single operation.
Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate pest control in coconut, scientifically known as Cocos nucifera. This is a coconut plant, an important crop, provide various agricultural benefits. One of the common challenges in coconut cultivation is the growth of weeds around the plant. Weeds can compete with coconut plant for important resources as water, nutrient, and sunlight, which may affect plant growth. And today, we will demonstrate weed control by removing weeds using bare hands without using any tools or chemicals. The purpose of this operation is to remove unwanted weeds growing around the coconut plant manually. This method helps to reduce competition between weeds and the coconut plant, allowing the plant to absorb sufficient nutrients and water for better growth. Weed control is important because it helps maintain and clean planting area and supports healthier coconut plant development. After removing the weeds, the area around the coconut plant becomes cleaner and less crowded. The coconut plant can receive enough water, nutrients, and sunlight without having to compete with unwanted weeds.
In conclusion, removing weeds using bare hands is a simple but effective method for weed control in coconut cultivation. This technique helps maintain plant health, reduce competition between weeds and coconut plants, and support better growth. Although this method requires careful handling, it is a natural and environmentally friendly approach to managing weeds without depending on a tools or chemicals. That's all for plant control in coconut. Next, let's move on to plant control in pineapple.
Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate pest control in pineapple, ananas commosis using a small scale setup. Pineapple is a tropical fruit crop that is often attacked by pests such as mealy, bugs and thrips. These pests reduce leaf health and fruit quality. Pest control is therefore an important agronomic practice to ensure healthy growth and productivity.
The skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo. 27 days alone means 20 million ways to cope without you. I'm in a reckless fever.
Weeds around the pineapple plants are managed manually by removing them using hands without the use of any tools, machine and chemicals. This method is done carefully to avoid damaging the pineapple plants while ensuring that unwanted weeds are completely removed from the surrounding area. By removing weeds regularly, the pineapple plants can grow healthier because they do not need to compete with weeds for important resources such as water, nutrients and sunlight. This simple and natural method also helps to maintain a clean planting area and support better growth of the pineapple plants.
In this process, I remove the weeds manually by using my bare hands. This method is suitable for removing small weeds that are still young and do not require any tools. By pulling the weeds carefully, we can remove them together with their roots, making it more difficult for them to grow back. This technique is also more efficient and environmentally friendly because it does not involve any chemicals.
After the pest control operation, the pineapple plants show healthier and cleaner leaves. The pests found on the plants were reduced through manual removing using hands. By carefully removing the pests directly from the pineapple plants, the plants were able to grow better without using any chemicals or additional tools. Even in a small-scale demonstration, we can observe that manual pest control helps to maintain plant health naturally.
Yeah, the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.